Join the ranks of those who demand the very best. The Lincoln Mark VII LSC is a performance-driven machine that redefined the standards of American luxury and performance. With its raw V8 power, advanced technology, and luxurious interior, this Lincoln is a true legend that's waiting to be unleashed. It emerges from an era of bold luxury and high performance. Innovation, a machine crafted to redefine American grand touring. The Lincoln Mark VII LSC, often overshadowed by European competitors, was a masterpiece that blended opulence with muscle car spirit, making it a standout in the luxury sports coupe segment. With its aerodynamic design, advanced technology, and raw V8 power, this Lincoln was not just a status symbol, but a true performance-driven machine. Though the Mark series had a history dating back to the 1950s, the Mark VII debuted in 1984, introducing modern styling and technological advancements. The LSC Luxury Sports Coupe trim, introduced as a more aggressive, driver-focused version, transformed the perception of Lincoln. While Cadillac was moving towards European sophistication, Lincoln was embracing American muscle with refinement. The Mark VII LSC featured a 5.0-liter V8 engine, borrowed from the Mustang GT, delivering 225 horsepower and 300 pounds-ft of torque. It provided smooth yet exhilarating acceleration, proving that a luxury coupe could also be a powerhouse. Inside, the LSC's cabin reflected an era of prestige, featuring leather-trimmed seating, wood accents, and advanced electronic instrumentation. Unlike many luxury coupes of its time, this Lincoln emphasized the driving experience. The digital dashboard, power-adjustable seats, and premium sound system made it a tech-savvy vehicle ahead of its time. Air suspension ensured a plush yet controlled ride, allowing it to compete with European grand tourers in comfort and stability. One of the most defining aspects of the Mark VII LSC was its aerodynamic design. Lincoln abandoned the boxy styling of its predecessors, opting for a sleeker, wind-tunnel-tested shape that significantly improved fuel efficiency and high-speed stability. The hidden headlights, flush-mounted glass, and signature grille gave it an unmistakable presence on the road. While many coupes from the 1980s faded into obscurity, the Mark VII LSC remains a respected collector's car. Well-preserved models can be found for $10,000 to $25,000, depending on mileage and condition. Its growing appreciation is fueled by its combination of muscle car performance, luxury features, and timeless styling. The Lincoln Mark VII LSC was more than just an executive coupe. It was a statement of power, prestige, and driving pleasure. For those who admire classic American performance with a touch of elegance, this model continues to impress. Join our community to explore more legendary machines and keep the passion for classic luxury alive, as we are here for you to explore the history.